Well, if you're up for challenges, of course, we've got another challenge right here. What about finding the second derivative of a function like this one? F of x equals 5 times e to the negative x minus 2e to the negative 5x. Well, we cannot combine these terms. One thing you should recognize is that these are not like terms, right? And that's the difference in the exponent. Unless the exponents were exactly alike, we could not combine them together. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to go through term by term and take our derivatives. So in the first derivative, f prime of x is going to be the derivative of 5e to the negative x. Well, by our chain rule, that's going to be 5 times e to the negative x times the derivative of negative x. Well, that's negative 1. Minus 2 times e to the negative 5x, right? Remember, by our exponential chain rule, it's e to the u times the derivative of u. So this is going to be times negative 5. So rewriting this one more time, we're going to have f prime of x being equal to negative 5 times e to the negative x. Negative and a negative, that's a positive 10 times e to the negative 5x as our first derivative. Well, the second derivative is the derivative of the first derivative. So, repeating the process again, we're going to take the derivative of each term right here. So, one by one, we would say, well, the derivative of negative 5 times e to the negative x is going to be negative 5 times the derivative of e to the negative x. By our exponent rule, that's going to be e to the negative x times the derivative of negative x, which we said is negative 1, plus 10. That's going to be multiplied by the derivative of e to the negative 5x, which is itself e to the negative 5x, but times the derivative of negative 5x, which is negative 5. And so simplifying one last time, the second derivative of f of x is going to be, this time negative times a negative positive, 5e to the negative x. 10 times e to the negative 5x times negative 5 is going to be minus 50 times e to the negative 5x. That's the quantity we were looking for, and so now we are done with this one.